What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Carrasco Ranch. My name is Robert. This is your first time tuning in. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be shooting a helium tank. These are the helium tanks that you usually buy at Walmart for like your birthday parties or whatever you're going to use to blow up your balloons. They make these in I saw that they had like a blue tank and a pink tank. As far as I'm aware of, I think the thickness of the metal of the tank itself, I think it's about the same. If I'm wrong, leave it down below, but I think they look the same, they felt the same. But this one, I have an Airbnb on the lake, and the people, I guess, ended up blowing up some balloons, and they left this outside the trash can to be thrown away. So it's empty. I've already checked it as well. It is empty. But we're gonna see if a high-powered air rifle can penetrate a helium tank. So that's what we're gonna do today. See if a high-powered 22 caliber air rifle can penetrate the metal outside, I guess, casing of those helium tanks. They don't look like they're very, very thick, and they're pretty light. So that's the reason I was like, man, I wonder if a high-powered 22 caliber air rifle can penetrate one of the wall of that tank. So we're gonna find out. I'm gonna put a GoPro by the tank itself, and then I'll film myself shooting, or I'll get a shot from out here as well. So it should be pretty cool, should be interesting. I'm interested to find out if it's gonna work or not myself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this video, and if you want to see more content, you gotta subscribe. So alrighty guys, without further ado, we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, I'm going to set up the GoPro to see if we can capture this shot. We're actually throwing material, but we haven't finished throwing material for the roads, so that's still soft because there's nothing there really supporting it. So this is the gun I'm going to be using. This is a Benjamin Trail NP2. I've taken down, raccoons and things like that with this, so we're going to see if it can penetrate the outside wall. I'm going to be using Diablo Heavies. We're going to see how these work. These are the ones that fly the best in this gun. So we'll see what happens. Very interested. We'll shoot it a couple times just to make sure we get some good shots at this thing. All right, guys, here we go. Safety's off. All right, I heard that. We'll try again. Shoot it again. That was pretty cool because you could actually hear that. And these things are pretty accurate, up to about 40 yards. You can actually hit a raccoon right dead the dead center at 40 yards. Got it again. Lens cap fell off. Got it again. Lens cap fell off. got it every time. We got it every time. We'll shoot 5 shots at it and see what happens. I'm guessing that center's gonna be a little bit thicker because it's welded together there in the center. So it should be a little stronger there in the middle, I would think. Final shot, guys. Final shot, guys. All right, let's go see what happened. So you can kind of tell where we haven't finished putting material here. Wow, it actually does not penetrate it. It did do a pretty good impact on it, but no actual holes. Pretty freaking interesting. I thought it had a good shot of actually penetrating it, but it didn't. You can actually tell right here where it's welded in the middle. It didn't do as much damage as it did up here. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. So a high-powered 22 caliber air rifle will not penetrate a helium tank from your local big box store like a Walmart. You know, maybe those blue ones are a little thicker, a little softer. I don't know. We could try those later if I have one that pops up near the garbage can. But yeah, guys, that was pretty awesome. That was pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to see for myself, and I thought, you know what? I'll put it on YouTube, show everybody, see if anybody else has ever wondered if it can penetrate that. So I think a regular 22 caliber rifle can penetrate that, because that pellet did some good damage to it. And I think a actual rifle will penetrate it, but who knows? I may save it, do another video later on with the 22. If y'all want to see that, I'll be more than happy to do it. Just drop it down in the comments and I'll put the videos together. But without further ado, guys, appreciate y'all watching, appreciate y'all sticking around, and appreciate y'all having some fun with me. So I thought it was pretty cool just seeing what would happen. But until next time, guys, be careful, be good, take care, and God bless. And we'll catch you guys later. Bye.